Gifts aren't typically on the top of people's minds when referring to taxes. Gift tax, however, is an important concept to be aware of if you make gifts to any individual. The gift tax generally applies to any transfer of money or any property to another person while receiving nothing or less than full value in return. While many types of transfers are subject to gift tax, there are some that are excluded. These include transfers to political organizations and certain exempt organizations, payments that qualify for the educational exclusion, and payments that qualify for the medical exclusion. Just because a transfer falls under the definition of a gift does not necessarily mean a gift tax return must be filed. However, there are instances that trigger a reporting requirement. Gifts over the annual exclusion amount need to be reported. A married couple who wishes to elect gift splitting must file a return. This allows them to treat gifts made by one spouse as made by both spouses to take advantage of both spouses' annual exclusions. Future interest gifts and split interest gifts, which are both often involved with certain types of trusts, are required to be reported on a gift tax return. Gifts over the allowable threshold of $164,000 in 2022 to non-U.S. citizen spouses are not qualified for the unlimited marital deduction and must be reported. If you make gifts to a 529 plan and wish to treat the amount given in a certain year as spread over 5 years, you must file a return to elect such treatment. Finally, if taxable gifts are made to skip persons, which typically include grandchildren and more remote descendants, generation skipping transfer tax exemption may need to be allocated on a gift tax return. While a gift tax return may not be required to be filed, you may wish to file one anyway. Filing a return can help establish value so that the statute of limitations begins to run. The IRS will then only have a limited amount of time to challenge said value if the information was adequately disclosed on a gift tax return. During your life, you can give away up to $11.7 million as of 2021 and $12.06 million as of 2022 free of gift tax. If you do not use up your entire exemption during life, the remainder may be applied against any estate tax liability applicable upon your death. These amounts are scheduled to sunset back down to $5 million, indexed for inflation, in January of 2026 if no new legislation is passed. Boulet's estate and trust team is well versed in the complex rules related to gift tax laws and the related reporting requirements and can help navigate the ever-changing landscape. Contact us today to learn more.